Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make Ragda Patties. For this you require 2 cups of dried white peas and you have to soak overnight with hot water. So now as you can see, the peas have been boiled with pressure cooker and it has become soft like this. So to make Ragda, you require 2 numbers of onions which is diced, 3 numbers of green chillies, then 1 spoon of red chilli flakes, then 1 spoon of jeera seeds. Heat a pan, put oil into this. You can use either sunflower oil or even groundnut oil. So once the oil is heated up, add 1 spoon of red chilli flakes and 1 spoon of jeera seeds. Then add green chillies as well as onions. Saute it well till the onions turns golden. So now as you can see, the onions have turned brown. Add 1 tomato which is diced into small pieces. Now as you can see, the oil is oozing out. Now at this point add half spoon of turmeric, half spoon of red chilli powder, half spoon of dhaniya powder, coriander powder, and half spoon of roasted cumin powder. After a minute, add the boiled peas into this. Mash a little bit. Then add 1 cup of water to it. So as you can see, it has started boiling. Now add 1 spoon of salt. Then around half spoon of tamarind pulp and mix nicely. Now add a handful of coriander leaves and just a pinch of Garam Masala and mix well. Let the Ragda boil for 5 to 10 minutes. It has to reach a little bit thicker consistency. In the meanwhile, we will prepare the tikkis. So for the patties or tikki, I have taken 4 potatoes and boiled in pressure cooker. So this has to be mashed well. So to the boiled potatoes, add coriander leaves, turmeric powder, 1 spoon of dhaniya powder, 1 spoon of jeera powder, 1 spoon of red chilli powder, 1 spoon of chaat masala powder, 1 spoon of red chilli flakes, a pinch of garam masala, 1 spoon of salt, and finally add 1 cup of bread crumbs. All this mix well. I am adding bread crumbs so that it binds well. So now that the tikki mixture is ready, make small balls like this. And in between your palms, flatten it a little bit, and now these tikkis are ready. complete it with the rest of the aloo mixture. Take a small kadai and put a little bit of oil into that and place the aloo tikkis one by one, and you can either shallow fry or deep fry this. Fry this in medium flame, and once it turns into golden brown on both sides, then it is ready. So now the ragada as well as the patties are ready. You have to serve. For that, first put a ladle full of ragada. Over that it goes the aloo tikkis. Again put one more ladle full of ragada onto the patties. On each patties a droplet of sweet tamarind chutney, then a little bit of diced onions, coriander leaves, and finally save. Thank you.